Good morning, students. So, our next topic is selecting cells, rows, and columns. Before doing any action on the table, we have to select cells, rows, and columns in the table. To select the cells, rows, and columns, we have to follow these steps. Select menu on table tools, then select the layout tab. In the layout tab, do the following. To select a cell, we have to follow this. Table tools, layout tab, table group, select and select cells. The same manner, if you want to select a row, then in the last select row, columns or table. Next, inserting cells, rows and columns. We can insert one or multiple cells, rows or columns in a table. Before we have to add a new cell, row and column, we have to select existing cell where we want to add a new cell, row or column. To add cells to a table, we have to follow these steps. Click Tools, Layout tab, Rows and Columns group, and the dialog box will be come. The Insert Cell dialog box is displayed. Do one of the following in that. If you want to shift cells right, then click on the Shift Cells Right option. In the same manner, shift cell down, insert entire row, insert entire column you can select. Inserting rows and columns. To add or delete columns and rows, right click the row or column and then from the shortcut menu click the command you want. To add a row column using ribbon, we can use ribbon also in the screen for adding a row and column. Select a cell, row above or below where you want to add a row. Follow command sequence as table tool, layout tab, rows and columns group. Click insert above or insert below button to add a row above or below the current row. Or click the insert left, insert right to add columns to the left or right of current cell. Next, deleting cells, rows and columns. To delete a cell, row and column, we have to follow these steps. Select a cell, row above or below where you want to add a row. Follow command sequence as table tools, layout tab, rows and columns group and click the delete option. Select delete cells, delete rows or delete columns from the drop down menu. So the selection will be delete. Splitting a table. Splitting means to divide a table into different sections. So to split a table, we have to follow this sequence or these commands. Follow command sequence as table tools, layout tab, merge group and split table button. So the table will be split into two sections. Next, merging and splitting cells. Merging means to join two or more cells, or splitting means to divide a cells. So to split cells, select the cells you wish to split. Follow command sequence as table tools, layout tab, merge group and split cells button. To merge cells, select the cells you wish to merge. Follow command sequence as table tools, layout tab, merge group and merge cells button.